So there we have it. Tommy Robinson's trial has finished for the second day in Westminster at the Magistrates' Court. What a show trial this is. What an embarrassment to the legal and police systems. It's been adjourned till the 4th of November. Now, this is because he has effectively been invited by Israel to be a statesman for the UK. So they can't really interfere with that. That would be silly. It would bring a lot more disrepute to our situation as it already is. Not to mention Keir Starmer, who was read out literally last when Donald Trump was doing all the honours for the peace deal in Gaza. Now, I hate coming last. I'm very patriotic, always have been. But that, I'm glad to see, it puts a little weasel in his place. As far as it goes, though, all in all, the trial which I've attended was just... it's an embarrassment. It's a total embarrassment. There were police that have just wrongfully arrested him under a terrorist charge because of potential beliefs of right-wing politics, which when you look at that, nothing that isn't in his brain is not Google searchable. And yesterday was quite funny to sit and watch, where the BBC reporter, who's known for his lies and smear and false statements and having to apologise, has basically got Ezra in trouble and said, oh, he's reporting and tweeting from the court, which is not against any kind of scenario. It should be allowed purely and simply because there's no jury involved. So in a trial like this, where it's just judge, defendant, ridiculous claim. But he did cause a bit of disruption, but as far as it goes, the reporting was allowed to continue today because relevant Canadian documents were submitted. So it just goes to show you where they say there's no two-tier justice system. It's very much a load of crap. It really is, isn't it? So if you or me said something, we're going to be strung up. But it's fine for them to continue the Palestine... well, sorry, I'm not even calling them Palestine marches anymore. Call them the hate marches, the Israeli extermination marches, because that's all they are. They're allowed to carry on and say, we're going to murder you, we're going to do this, without consequence at all. If this country is not broken, you are seriously blind if you believe that it isn't. Now, my advanced UK membership and scenario there is standing firm. There is a lot of traction. The members are growing daily. And there's been a bit of reform scenario I'm reading in today. There's been a bit of backlash for them for a few reasons. But do take a look in the description down below. There is a buy me a coffee link if you want to support what I do and keep me hydrated. And also there is a link for advance. Go take a look at the website if you're curious. There is a group of us and you can come and talk to us about different things. We'll try and answer. Have a good day.